Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School, Dahisar, Online Studies Standard 3, Subject Mathematics, Lesson number 5, Multiplication. Multiplication. We are going to write 6 times table. Here we are taking 6 balls 1 times. 6 1 times. That means 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. We can read it. 6 ones are 6. 6 balls we are taking 2 times. 6 twice. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. 6 twos are 12. 6 balls we are taking 3 times. 6 thrice. 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. 6 threes are 18. 6 balls we are taking 4 times. 6 4 times. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 balls we are taking 5 times. 6 5 times. 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. 6 fives are 30. 6 balls we are taking 6 times. 6 6 times. 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 balls 7 times. 6 7 times. 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42. 6 sevens are 42. 6 balls we are taking 8 times. 6 8 times. 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to 48. 6 eights are 48. 6 balls we are taking 9 times. 6 9 times. 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to 54. 6 nines are 54. Here we are taking 6 balls 10 times. 6 10 times. 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. 6 tens are 60. This way, children, we are written 6 times table. And this way, you have to write table of 7, 8 and 9. You can write the table 7, 8 and 9. Now, multiplication tables with the help of addition. Now, with the help of addition, we are going to write multiplication tables. We can write 6 table with the help of table 4 and table 2. Now, here children, you can make 6 times table with the addition of 4 times table and 2 times table. Now here we are taking 4 times table and here we are taking 2 times table. Now we are going to add 4 times and 2 times table together. This way we can write the addition, that is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and we easily get the table of 6. Randomly you can add the numbers. Right? I have given here one by one and then we will get the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 fives are 54 and 6 6 are 60. This way children you can make 6 times table with the addition of table of 4 and table of 2. More tables we can make with the help of addition. Now again 6 times table we can make with the help of 5th time table and 1 times table. We can add these two tables and we will get 6 times table easily. Now 7 times table. Here children we are taking 4 times table and 3 times table, and we can add these two tables randomly and we will get 7 times table easily. Isn't it very special? Yes. Now the next topic is it's special, the 9 times table. Now come, I'll tell you something about the 9 times table. Write the numbers 0 to 9. Okay, we are going to write here numbers 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Serially we are going to write these numbers. And children, in the next column, these numbers we are write in reverse order. That is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And look what happened. We have the 9 times table already. Isn't it wonderful? Yes. See, when we are writing numbers 0 to 9 serial order and then the numbers in reverse order, then easily we can get the 9 times table. Isn't it very wonderful? Yes, children. Now fill in the right numbers in the empty boxes. Now children, here one box is given and you have to fill the right numbers in the empty boxes. Now children, look carefully which numbers are given in this table. Now when you see horizontally, the numbers are given 1 to 10, and when we are seeing vertically, again the numbers are given 1 to 10, and in the left corner there is a sign of multiplication. Now children, if you observe it carefully, then you can easily understood what we are getting here, which numbers we are getting here. We can easily make the tables with the help of these boxes. Now children, I'll give some examples over here. Here 5 threes are. Now see these two arrows carefully. I'll take 5 in vertical order and I'll take 3 in horizontal order. Means I'm taking 5 from the row and 3 from the columns, and easily I'll get the answer 5 threes are 15. This way children, you will get the all tables. Now second example, 7 and 4. 7 fours are 28. 7 from the row and 4 from the column. 7 fours are 28. Again the next example I am taking here. 3 from the row and 7 from the column. Now 3 sevens are 21. Here we'll get the correct answer with the help of multiplication. This way children, you have to fill out all the empty boxes. Carry out the following multiplications. Now children, here we have some examples and we have to carry out the following multiplications correctly. How you will going to solve this? Yes, the first example is 3 multiplied by 6. Now you have to say tables. You have to say the table of 6 till 3. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. The number will get 18. The answer is 18. We are taking the second example, 5 multiplied by 3. Now here again we have to say table of 3 till 5. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. So here we'll get the answer 15. Easily we can find the answers of multiplication with the help of tables. 6 multiplied by 4. Again we have to say the tables 4 till 6. We'll get the answer 24. 4 6 are 24. And here we are taking last example, 7 multiplied by 8. You have to say 8's table till 7. That is 56. 8 sevens are 56. This way you can easily carry out the multiplication with the help of tables. Now using tables for multiplication. Now how you can use the tables for multiplication? Now children, here some word problems are given. On his birthday, Chintu bought 6 pens at rupees 5 per pen. How much must he pay the shopkeeper for them? So here we have to do the multiplication. 6 multiplied by 5. Here 6 are the pens and 5 the cost of 1 pen. And you have to multiply these two numbers and you will get the correct answer. 6 fives are 30. 30 is the total cost which Chintu must have to pay to the shopkeeper. Second example, how many trees in 5 rows if there are 8 trees in 1 row? Now here we can find trees all together. Now children, again we have to do the multiplication over here. 5 multiplied by 8. These numbers we have to multiply. Now 5 is number of rows given in the example and 8 are the trees in each row. This is the information given in our word problem. Now do the multiplication. 8 fives are 40. We can easily find the number 40, total number of trees. We will get the answer correctly. Now, next example, if 9 laddus can be put in one box, how many can be put in 7 such boxes? Again we have to do here multiplication. Now, we have to multiply 7 and 9. 7 multiplied by 9. The given numbers you have to multiply. Now 7 are the boxes and 9 are the laddus in one box. Now here we can say table of 9 till 7. Answer is 63. 63 the total number of laddus we can find easily with the help of multiplication. children, here some properties of multiplications are given. Listen it carefully. Children, when we are multiplying two numbers like 5 multiplied by 8, the answer is 40. And again, in reverse order, if we'll place the numbers like 8 multiplied by 5, the answer is 40. The answer will be same whenever we are writing the numbers in reverse order also, then we will get the same answer. Second example, 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15, and if we will write 5 multiplied by 3, we'll get answer 15. So the product of two numbers remains the same even if their order is changed. If we change the order of the given numbers, then also the product of the given numbers or the answer of the given numbers of multiplication is same. Now carry out the following multiplications. Here some multiplications are given, children. 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 6 5s are 30. 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 8 3s are 24. 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 9 2s are 18. Now we have to carry out the multiplication in horizontal also. This way you have to say the tables, and with the help of the tables we will solve the multiplication. The multiplicative property of 0. Now here children, whenever we will multiply with 0 with any number, then what we will get? Now for example, if we are adding 2 4 times, it means 2 4 times means 2 multiplied by 4, that is 2 4s are 8. This way you are doing the multiplication. 4 plus 4 plus 4 means 4 3 times is equal to 12. But when we will add 0 4 times, then the answer will be 0. Means here whenever we multiply the 0 with any number, the answer is 0 or the answer will be 0. Now carry out the following multiplication here. Here some examples of 0 given. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to, and 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to. Means children, here if we are changing the order of the given numbers, then also the product remains same. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8, and 4 multiplied by 2 is also 8. The second example, 7 multiplied by 0 is equal to how much, and 0 multiplied by 7 is equal to how much. If we will multiply 0 with any number, the product will be 0. Your answer will be 0. And the next example, 6 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 6. The answer will be same, 6 3s are 18. Now children, here you have to understood which number we call multiplicand, which number will call multiplier, and which number will call product. Now here I have taken one example, 6 multiplied by 5 and the answer is 30. Now children, in the multiplication of 6 multiplied by 5, we multiply the first number 6. It is the multiplicand. The first number will called multiplicand, and we multiply by the second number 5. It is the multiplier, and we are multiplying 6 with the second number 5. That second number is called multiplier, and the answer is 30. It is known as the product, and the answer of the multiplication is called the product.